Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is author DS Spice, and let's start manifesting. I've been receiving some emails on my mailbox that I put up on the channel, and I've not been able to reply back. I'm extremely sorry about it. But yeah, I would take it up in the videos, and so I've decided um, to make it more frequent now. Let's see how it goes. So today I'm going to talk about the next manifestation technique, and that will be about manifest with certainty. Okay, are you excited about it? So yeah, manifest with certainty, and for that, yeah, there's one more thing. Say for example, you are manifesting something, like you are about to manifest. Say a house, like you want to buy a condo somewhere. You want to manifest it, right? You want the best thing uh, that's available in the market. And let's say you have been taking all those inspired actions to do so, and then if you see people around you also talking about the house rent and all that stuff, then you should know that the universe is actually making things aligned to you, aligned to, and your manifestation is near. People around you are talking about such things that you are manifesting, then you know that you're on the right track. It just happened with me as well, that yeah, when I was manifesting wealth, and then I see, like, around me, people watching this Kaun Banega Crorepati, and stuff like that. So yeah, it has been my experience that people generally will talk around you, will start talking about it, although like you wouldn't have actually mentioned to them, or you would have just taken the inspired actions on your own. Okay, so the next thing, okay, today what I'm going to explain is manifest with certainty. So the step one in this case is you think about one goal that you want to manifest as quickly as you can. Okay, think about it. That is step one. Um, when you have thought about it enough, then the step two is to take a piece of paper and write down something like, I am certain that I have dash, whatever you want to manifest, something like this. I am certain that I have. Okay, now as I have been indicating, when you write this, it shouldn't just come from your lip, right? It should come filled with all sorts of emotions, that you really have that particular thing that you're manifesting. So I'm certain that I have should feel like I am certain that I have. So, I mean, in your own words, in how you want to include it in your emotions, how your feelings, just connect it with your feelings. Okay, I'm certain that I have. Okay, once you have written it down, okay, the step two is writing it down. Step three is you keep telling yourself multiple times in the day, okay, I see the dash everywhere. So whatever you have written down, that manifestation, right? I see the dash everywhere. Keep telling that many times during the day, and you should be able to spot it. There are certain doubters in the group, I believe, who keep doubting whether this works or not. So for such people, you can actually start with small things. Small things like, maybe you can manifest a little, maybe a rainbow, like after the rain comes the rainbow. So you can say, I'm certain that I have whatever, and then I see the rainbow everywhere. So that's something like that, and then you should be able to see the rainbow uh, whenever, whatever time period that you have defined for yourself. So this is the manifest with certainty technique. So it's quite simple and quite straightforward. Wherein you just write one sentence that you are very certain about it. Like you don't have any qualms, you don't have any doubts that manifestation wouldn't have. You would have removed all your, like in my previous video I've explained to you how you can use all kinds of assertions and mm, also like those four phrases which I mentioned. You can use those maybe a prior prerequisite to this. You can make use of that and remove all the inhibitions that you have that is preventing you from believing that this particular goal is possible or not. And after that you do this manifestation technique. Manifest with certainty. You can do it, as I said, the frequency can be any number of times. Like the first statement, that I'm certain that I have, and feeling the emotions, that's very important. Like you need to do it with full emotions. um, it's like if you just write it down, I'm certain that I have, it doesn't make any sense, because as I've already explained in the previous videos, that your mind, it doesn't understand the difference between what is real and what you want to manifest. So everything, it sends the same impulse. So you have to make it believe, even though right now, like say for example, you're manifesting wealth, and say for example right now you're broke, or you don't have that kind of stuff. Then you can just remove all those inhibitions and resistances, and still say that I'm certain that I have. So you're putting that kind of belief and that kind of confidence in the universe, that certain kind of manifestation that is especially reserved only for you is coming back at you. So you feel this sort of thing, the manifestation is coming to you, you feel the certainty of it. And then you also mention many times during the day that you see the dash everywhere. Dash could be whatever wealth, building, car, house, money, whatever that you're manifesting. I see the dash everywhere. Okay, so this is the manifest with certainty technique. Thank you for watching, and thank you very much for sending me emails. Very appreciative of that, although I haven't found time to reply to most of them. Thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing. Goodbye.